is South Africa, it's not Nigeria. We know you are doing drugs here. We know that you are working with the police here, doing drugs here. We as South Africans are saying we are tired. You must go do drugs in Nigeria. You must go do drugs in Ethiopia. You want to destroy a community, destroy your own people. You are tired of you killing South African children with your drugs. Habari! 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 And this is not the last time we are here. We are going to come back. We are going to take your children out of our schools. We are going to take you out of our communities.